Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course, starting here on the daily chart where we are seeing XRP exploding towards the upside actually after having a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 towards the upside. And after of course a very long correction, I will not go back with it with every video because I show it several times. And of course, we have finished a wave E here for a triangle, and we have started a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. Now, as we have expected or predicted before that, of course, we have finished a impulse here, an impulse, and we are looking probably for a correction towards the downside. And we already see on the daily 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and probably we still looking for 5 waves toward the downside, or at least a zigzag, while of course having a zigzag up as well here, and final zigzag for your wave Y in W, X, and Y. So we are still corrective. This is the thing here. We are still corrective with XRP, and the most nice signal that you have here for XRP that you are very corrective is a very clear 3 waves towards the downside, because once you see a correction after an impulse, 3 waves, and you start to see, of course, higher prices after it, whatever it happens after those 3 waves, it already tells you here that you are corrective directly. If you don't get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, therefore, of course, yeah, it is corrective. Unless with 5 waves, you're looking impulsively towards the downside, possibly. But when you see 3 waves, you can make sure that you are very corrective in this area, and we are going to move towards the upside. But of course, don't rush before, of course, finishing this final correction with a final leg, of course, and taking the low possibly, and then moving towards the upside. So basically, XRP is also showing strengths, actually, same as for SUI. It is the opposite from the other coins, like altcoins. Again, one of the strongest coins in the altcoins right now, to see, of course, some strengths for it. On the 1 hour chart here, we can see that, yes, we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, definitely. Very clear 5 waves, but don't forget that this can be, of course, two things, two scenarios. One is bearish, one is bullish. Your bullish scenario, it is, of course, a truncated ABC. You finished a short wave C with 5 waves toward the downside without taking the low. Now, this is a very rare scenario, to be honest. I'm telling you, it has like 3-4% chance to happen. In another scenario is that you have still, of course, after 3 waves up here, you have finished a wave 1. Your wave 1, of course, here is 5 waves, and you might have wave 2 for higher prices, of course, and then 3, 4, and a 5, bringing us a little bit lower than this low, and this is exactly what we would like to see. Now, my prediction, of course, is this zone, this triangle here for your wave 4. This is a zone that we need to watch anyway. So yeah, basically this can be the thing. We see here a very sharp wave 1, and then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. It can be such an impulse. And then, of course, continuation massively towards the upside. So yeah, basically XRP is looking fine, to be honest. He didn't took even the low of the previous correction. Yeah, in the contrary of Solana, for example, it dived very deeper than this. So very nice for XRP. It's one of the coins that yeah, traders can rely on after this drop to take an opportunity to buy actually. But of course, yeah, as you said, once we finish this wave C towards the downside, or you can of course use this strategy by entering, of course, limit orders based on your portfolio. Don't forget that the percentage that you use here is very essential. Have a plan and a strategy, of course. No financial advice, but yes, this is one of the strategy that you can trade this dump towards the downside. So that was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.